Hey guys, make sure you stand till the end. If you make one common mistake, it can cost you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a GMC SIERRA, that generation here from year 2007 to year 2013. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the throttle position sensor fuse is located, which fuse you need to check, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, and why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays, all that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to do engines, transmission, mechanical, bodywork, a little bit of everything guys. We have more than 13,000 free repair videos on our channels that can save you thousands of dollars guys in future repairs. We have anything from American to German vehicles, Asian, anything guys. So now if you need to find, let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find a video for a starter fuse, or you need to see where the starter relay is located. All we have to do, just come find that on our channel. It will take you about a minute or two to watch it. You fix it, you're back on the road guys. So that's why we're making all these videos for your convenience. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So the throttle position sensor guys, which fuse you need to check, we will guys demonstrate that on this generation GMC SIERRA right here. You, by the way guys, you have multiple fuse boxes in that GMC SIERRA, but today we're working just one that's under the hood. So if you open the hood, here on the driver's side, that's your brake pump and the brake fluid reservoir. Next to it you have that electrical box. Open that cover, and under the cover you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So here guys, okay, which fuse we will need to check for the throttle position sensor. Oh, by the way, if you need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools, throttle position sensors at a good price, quick shipping, not just for GMC SIERRA but any car, we'll put the links in the description of the video below. Check it out, that's where we get our tools supplies from, and you can guys save a ton of money. Here we'll come in that section here guys, okay, so if we zoom in a little bit, okay, that fuse that you see right here, fuse number 5, that 15M fuse, that's for the throttle position sensor. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Hopefully the video was helpful, and see you next time.